Welcome to my internship diaries, and today, samahan niyo akong mag-practice mag-commute. First on the agenda ay alamin ang daan papunta sa PSAQC. Doon kasi ako mag-internship and magko-commute lang ako everyday. Ang estimated travel time ko pala mula sa bahay ay around 1 hour and 30 minutes. So dapat mga 6 a.m. nakaalis na ako. Fastest way I know is mag-MRT from Taft to GMA Kamuning, then mag-footbridge at mag-jeep. Tapos tatawid na lang ako para ma-reach ko yung PSAQC. So yes, done with the first agenda. So next ay mag-food trip sa San Juan. Nag-book na lang kami ng in-drive and around 72 pesos yung hatian. We first went here sa Tori Tori tapos dumiretso kaming Oyster kasi we heard na masarap daw yung oysters nila. Walking distance lang naman lahat kaya no problem. I'll rate the oysters 3 out of 5. Sakto lang siya considering yung price na 50 pesos. Next food stop ay dessert, so we went sa Shari Shari for some authentic Japanese shaved ice. We ordered matcha and ito yung pinaka na-enjoy ko for today. Sakto kasi it was really hot outside. Our food stop did not end there. We went pa here sa Gu to buy cookies at dahil gala nga kami, nagpunta pa kaming Mega Mall para mag-dinner. So yeah, that's all muna for today and see you on my next internship vlog!